In this demonstration, we are going to learn one more component in Oracle Fusion AI Agent Studio, that is Deep Link. Using Deep Link, we can build the AI agent that will take the user to a specific page in the Fusion when asked for more information. For example, if the user asks some details about the negotiation, then we can retrieve the negotiation ID at runtime, that is the auction header ID, and we can pass through this deep link and provide the URL or the click here link to the user in the chat so that the user can click on the chat and they will be taken straight away into the Oracle Fusion page using the deep links. Now in this demonstration, we are going to keep the thing simple. That is, we are going to see how we can create a deep link in AI Agent Studio and how we can add this to the agent. And we are not going to create the agent team having multiple agents in order to carry out some huge transaction. Rather, our use case for this demonstration is just to show how to use the deep link in the agent. In our subsequent classes, we will show how to build the huge AI agent which can carry out complex transactions just with the chat. At that time, how this deep link will fit into the agent team, which is having a lot of agents within the group. Now let's begin with our use case. That is, I will be trying to build the AI agent using the deep link, which will take the user to this particular negotiation page. So here I have opened one of the negotiation page. In the URL, I will be passing the negotiation header ID. Suppose if you are not familiar with the negotiation, I will go to the negotiations dashboard page or the landing page. So every negotiation will be having a negotiation ID as well as the auction header ID. Now Oracle Fusion will be storing the auction header ID at the backend, using which we will be able to pass that in the deep link, that is in the URL, and we can view the details for the negotiation. So this is the negotiation number. Now, if you look at the URL for this negotiation page, it will look something like this: https:// and up to.com. This is the Fusion host. Followed by that, we are having the Redwood and some related URI question mark. That is the query parameter, and we are having the auction header ID is equal to and the value. So this is how the Fusion URL will look like when we navigate to a specific page or the negotiation page in the Oracle Fusion instance. Now for our use case, we will be using only this portion of the URL because host, anyhow, we are trying to create the AI agent in the same Fusion host and we are trying to navigate to the negotiation page which is available in the same AI agent hosted Fusion instance. So in our case, we will be interested in only this portion of this URL. Now suppose if you are wondering how we will know what are the deep links available in Oracle Fusion. So this is the URL. So you can go to this website wherein Oracle has highlighted all the deep links available in the Oracle Fusion instance, which will help you in configuring as well as in extending the applications. So you can have a look at the module specific deep links as well over here. Now let's come back to our topic. So I will go to the deep links over here and I will be creating a new deep link. Click on add. Coming to the family, I will go for SCM because negotiation comes under the SCM family. Coming to the product, so we'll see if there is anything related to the negotiations. I'm unable to find anything negotiation or the sourcing. I will go for other. Here I will name this as deep link, that is for AI agent BL deep link negotiation. Let me copy this, and first of all I will save in the notepad what and all names we have used while creating the AI agent in this class. So this is the name I will be providing. The code will be auto-populated. Coming to the relative URI, we have to give this relative URI, that is from /fscm to auction header ID is equal to number. Now number is customizable, so I have changed with the flower brackets. So this is the convention how we provide if you want the variable thing in the query parameter or in the path parameter. Let me copy this and provide it over here. As soon as you tab out, Oracle will identify that there is this query parameter which you will be passing at runtime. Now I will provide the description. You can double tap and provide the description as pass the auction header ID here. Just tab out. Sample value if you want to give, you can tell it will be looking some big number, not the small number. Here I will tell this will take the user to view negotiation page. Yeah, that's it. Let me just click on create. Then we have successfully created the deep link. Suppose if you want to search and see whether the deep link has been created or not, I can search it over here and we can see our deep link is available. Now we will go to the tools. After we create the deep link, we have to create the tool. Click on add tool. So here I will select the deep link as the option. In our previous class, we had seen how to make use of document, wherein we had built the RAG-based AI agent using this document. This time we will go for deep link, and the tool name I will provide negotiation deep link tool, and I will save this name as well. So it's always a good practice. You save the names what you have used in your AI agent. Coming to family and the product, we have configured this in the deep link. It is grayed out over here. Now I will tell this is a tool to consume the deep link. This does not require a human intervention. Click on add and I will be searching for my deep link. Let me search with this name. It's over here. Click on add. Scroll down, message if you want, you can customize it over here. So with this set, we'll click on create. Then we have successfully created the tool. Next, we can go for creating a agent, or we can straight away go to agent team and build our agent team. Click on add. Here I will provide the name as team. Let me save this name. Code, it will automatically populate. Coming to the family, I will go for SCM and I will go for other. Type, I will tell this is the sequential and maximum 10 iterations this can support, means the 10 instances of AI chat simultaneously this can process. Description, this is a agent tool designed to help users to view the negotiations. Coming to LLM, I will go for the default GPT-5 mini. Security, you have to attach one of the security. Usually you will be attaching the project related sourcing or negotiation related rules, but I will go for application developer. So the person or the user who is accessing this AI chat at runtime, they should be having this role as we had discussed in our previous class. Otherwise, they won't be able to see or interact with this AI agent or the chat in the Fusion. Coming to the questions, you can provide initial questions. It will highlight when you click on the AI agent. Input variables, if you want at runtime, you can pass it over here. Click on create. We have successfully created the agent. Now I will click on the new agent over here. And the name I will provide agent itself. Code, it will automatically populate. Coming to the family, I will go for SCM and the other. Maximum iteration 10. Now I can tell over here this is a agent created to take user to the negotiation page. Coming to the prompt, here we can tell you are a assistant to help users to give detail specific to the option header ID value provided by user for a specific negotiation in Oracle Fusion. Do not assume any answers on own. Be specific to the question asked and relevant to the Oracle Fusion negotiation concepts only. If you don't know the answer, just reply saying information not all. So this is how we are going to write the prompt saying what it has to do. Coming to the persona, here we will tell you are an assistant designed to help users with negotiation deeply. be humble and polite in responding. So this is how we are telling how the persona should be for the AI agent and the prompt. Next, you will go for the LLM. I will go for the same LLM which we have used for our team. Next, we will go for the input variable and output. And as of now, I will keep this default. Click on create. Then next we have to click on these tools and we have to search over here the tool which we have provided. And for the tool, we had provided this tool name. I will search over here with the tool name. Let's over here, click on add and click on add. Done. Let's save. I think it got closed. Let me again reopen the team. It's over here. So this is the advantage of saving the names which we have used while building the AI agent. In case if we are getting taken back to the dashboard page and we can navigate back instead of assuming and writing some name. So we can just copy paste from the notepad. Now before we publish, you will click on this preview or the debug button. So this is going to create the instance for us at runtime. I will tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, click on enter. So this is what we are providing the auction header ID over here. Now let's see how the AI agent will construct the deep link and answer to the question. Here it has told I have found the negotiation deep link. So we have not built the agent capability to check whether that particular auction header ID is available or not in Fusion. It will rather directly provide the deep link URL. We can click and it will tell you must be signed into Oracle Fusion instance. Some note it will provide on its own, which is a good thing. Clicking on this will not take you anywhere because this is a dummy negotiation. But when you build for actual use case, you have to add a condition wherein it can check the negotiation is present or not. Now for this use case, I will give the actual negotiation auction header ID. Let me copy this and provide it over here. Click on enter. So this section of the agent is trying to fetch the value deep link and all will be done at runtime in the AI chat, like how we have seen in our previous class wherein we build the rack-based application. Then the AI chat, this won't be done only in the designer or in the debug window. It is available. I will click on this deep link. So it will be taking me straight into the Oracle Fusion negotiation page. That is, it has taken me to this page. And in the URL, it has passed this option header ID. So this is what we are seeing it over here. So this will be very useful when you build the actual AI agent, when the user asks, show me the more details for this negotiation. Instead of building the agent and highlighting all the details over here, we can make the agent to answer something like this. It can provide the deep link for the negotiation page or any other page like the purchase order, supplier information, or any other sort of such things in the Oracle Fusion. We can just provide the link. So with this said, we are good to publish. Let me click on this publish. So it will take a couple of seconds in order to publish this AI agent team. Our deep link negotiation AI agent team has been successfully published and the status you can see as published. Now, when the user tries to log into the Oracle Fusion instance, they can interact with this agent team. That is by going to the me. The placement of the AI chat could be varying in your project. By default, Oracle will put this under the me. Go to the AI chat. We have to click on this explore. That is, there are 122 agents over here. I will search with the deep link team. So you have to give some meaningful name so that the users will be comfortable searching for the respective AI agent and they can interact and ask the questions. Click on this. Here I will try to ask the question related to this auction header ID. Let me copy and paste. Click on enter. Now this time you won't see this yellow section. That is how we see in the debugging window when we try to test our AI agent in the preview mode. So at runtime, it will just show this loading icon over here. Once it has fetched all the details, it will show the result. So it has told I open the negotiation page for this and leave it here by clicking on this. So this answer you can customize how it has to respond. Then it is asking, let me know if you want me to perform any specific action or pull specific details from that negotiation page. So we have not built this capability. Let's see how it will pull. Pull the details from the page. We can ask and see whether it is working. So it is unable to fetch. I will tell please fetch the details whatever is feasible. Click on enter. So these are the capabilities you have to build into your agent team. We can combine multiple agents in the sequential order. It can execute and carry out the responsibilities for carrying out such kind of teamwork. So this is the practical implication of AI agent. So it is unable to pull, only it is giving the deep link. So this is what we configured in this class. I will click on this deep link. So this is going to open the deep link for me. And this is how we can create the deep link, create the tool, and add this capability to the agent and build the agent team, which can take the user to a specific negotiation page or any other page using the deep links in Oracle Fusion. So in our subsequent classes, we will see how this deep link concept will fit and we can build the complex AI agent for our customer.